I'm just living my best life, putting as much blush as I want on. Hey guys, so I'm not wearing any makeup because we're actually going to do a first impressions today. I'm really excited. I was at Walmart the other day. I was trying to find some makeup. I'm trying to build a makeup kit, so I figured I would try these to see if they work well for the makeup kit, and then I can start building up my makeup kit for actual clients. So I am trying Profusion, and I'm going to try and do as many products as possible. The only thing that I did not pick up is the brow kit. So I am trying their Lip Duo, and this is in this kind of terracotta color. It's called Charm. And I am going to try their Blush 2 Compact, their Highlight and Contour Kit. I do have bronzer on, but I did not put my powder contour on. So I will add that on camera with you guys. And then I did pick up 3 eyeshadow palettes. I have the Festival, which is really fun and colorful. And then I have the Wanderlust. I know it's very reflective. And then I have their Metallics one. I'm going to try and use all of these eyeshadow palettes today. And I did notice as I was like swatching these and stuff, there is repeats of some colors. So just keep that in mind. But I mean, it's not a ton of repeats, but there is repeats. Look how beautiful these are, you guys. They're so pretty. I'm going to match my necklace because directly after this video I am filming my birthday haul video. So we're going to do a green and maybe like a gold coppery kind of look today. Alright, I'm going to start with the Wanderlust palette, and I am going in with 2 of these matte shades. I'm going to do Nostalgia first, and then I'm going to blend that out with Statement right here. You guys, that is a really beautiful color. Now the question is, does it blend? Now I'm going to incorporate that lighter shade. That actually blends really beautifully. I am really impressed with the way that that blended. Now there isn't a ton of light matte shades. There is one in the Festival palette. I think I'll just buff out the top of my brow bone with that shade. And it is this one right here. It's called Winning. These blend so nicely into each other, you guys. I am really impressed. So I'm going to deepen out the outer corner again with Nostalgia. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Jade, which is this pretty green here, and I am going to put that all over my lid. So to help with this corner right here, I'm just gonna lightly tap on a color, and I think I'm gonna do Focus with my finger, which is kind of this coppery color. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to do something a little different. For the center of my lid, I am actually going to use, I've never used this before, it's the Flower Beauty Warrior liquid eyeshadow, and the color is Camo. Now I'm going to do the inner corner highlight, and I think I'm gonna go with Majesty here. That color looks like it would pull in really well with greens. Now I'm actually going to do liner, but I'm not going to do my normal liner that's black. I'm going to actually just do a glitter liner. So let's see how this looks. I am using Urban Decay heavy metal liners, and the color is Midnight Cowboy. Alright you guys, I have the eyeliner on. All I'm doing now is just adding some brown eyeliner, and I will come back with both eyes done. Alright you guys, I have the eyes on, and let me just say, these blended out so beautifully. I was so surprised. They are so pigmented. The shimmers in here were so easy to apply, and the mattes blended out so easily and nicely on top of them. And then there was kind of these pressed glitter shades, and even those were beautiful to work with. So I love this, you guys. And I think the most expensive palette in here was 10 bucks. It's so affordable, and it's so high quality. I am like, wow. Let's move on to the contour and highlight kit and the blush kits. They do have like a version 1 and 2 for most of the contour and the blush kits, and even there was some other things in there I think that there was versions 1 and 2 for. So this is the contour and highlight 1, and I think I'm actually going to use this cream light powder to brighten up under my eyes and see how that works. So let me use that first. Can you guys tell? I don't think I can. Alright, so now I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this for the contour, and this is Tan Sculpt. I don't know why, but this looks kind of green. That's weird. Oh, that's pigmented. Do you see that? How can you not see that? Like, whoa, that's pretty dark. I'm gonna have to buff that one out. Yeah, it's a bit dark. Okay, so there is the contour. It is pretty pigmented. This one over here is a bit patchy for whatever reason. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. I don't know. I had powdered, so when I initially applied it, that one did come on a bit patchy right there. I can't seem to blend it out. Let me add some of their cream light powder over the top, see if that helps. But this side was turned out nice. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the blush, and I think with this look, I don't want to do anything too crazy. So I'm gonna do, these are more pink tones, but I'm gonna try this peach one right here. I feel like this part of my face over here just looks muddy. I don't know if I like that powder contour. I'm gonna have to try it some other days and see if I can't maybe figure out a different way to apply it. But this blush is beautiful. The blush is working very nice. I just feel like this area right here looks very muddy. Alright, highlighter! Okay, so for the highlighter, there is one that is kind of a darker tone. I'm not gonna use that one. I'm gonna use this lighter one right here. So let's see how this highlight is. Where is it? I don't see it. Hold on. Maybe I have to like really dig in there. I mean, I'm getting powder everywhere, so I know it's on my brush. Maybe with my finger? Ew, that just made it turn really patchy and weird. That looks terrible, but now I can finally see it. Okay, wow. Wet works, but maybe do it with your finger and not a brush. Okay, you guys, I have applied the highlighter. I did soften it a bit after I got it wet and realized that it was ridiculous with a beauty blender, just with a teeny tiny bit of some powder on it, and it softened it right up, and now it looks a lot more wearable and not as blinding. So okay, this does work. I feel like it works a little bit better wet, but if you apply it with your finger, I feel like you can get a better application, whereas if you were to just do it with a brush, it kind of like poofs it everywhere and it doesn't really stick to one spot. So moving on to the last item, I am going in with their Lip Duo, and this is the color Charm. It's like a really pretty terracotta-y color. Bring me my phone.
No.
Can I see my phone?
No. No. No, Mommy.
Yes.
No. No.
Go get your juice.
No.
Unfortunately, the lip liner broke while I was using it, but let's go ahead and try this lipstick. Oh no! Now with this lip duo, I can say that this color is beautiful, but it tastes weird, like a crayon. Yeah, it tastes like a crayon, so just keep that in mind. And also the lip liner did break while I was trying to apply the lip liner, but everything else was absolutely beautiful. I loved the way this look came out. The eyeshadow look was so easy to create because the formula was just very easy to blend and so pigmented. So that is all I have for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! And I did